Welcome, my name is Stefan Siebauer, Product Manager at Fortec Integrated. Today we'll explore out-of-band management and how Advantex, DeviceOn, Air150 and AFE E350 work together to enable seamless device management solution. Joining us, Uma Ahmad, an expert of industrial edge computing. Welcome, Uma.
Thank you so much, Stefan, for hosting me. It's a pleasure to be here with you, and I'm very happy and excited to talk about Advantex hardware and complementary software services, which allows you to have out-of-band management using DeviceOn. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. To start, can you explain the concept of out-of-band management?
Yes, basically out-of-band management allows IT administrators to remotely control and access and troubleshoot the edge devices even if the operating system has crashed or there is no connectivity to the device. It is a bit different from in-band management, where you need to be logged into the OS to remotely access the device and troubleshoot it. Out-of-band management does it through a dedicated microcontroller, which in this case is Advantex HBMC microcontroller. This means that if the device crashes or the operating system is not working anymore, or you have lost connectivity to the device, BIOS needs update, you can remotely access the device, and this helps in terms of reducing on maintenance and downtime.
Okay, great. So you are also giving us examples already for real applications, for example, in the industry where having downtimes really costs and matters. I assume you also don't need to send any maintenance stuff where the issue is. You can do all that remotely using the out-of-band technology.
Exactly.
Right?
So you don't have to send your engineers to figure out what the problem is and actually even reboot the device as well. You can do it remotely, and if you need to do some firmware update or the BIOS update, you can do that as well remotely as well. So no maintenance cost and less downtime.
Great, I really can see the advantages. So how does DeviceOn fit into that solution?
Yes, so DeviceOn is basically a device management platform from Advantex. It basically comes with 3 core management services, which is device management, connectivity management, and data management. The out-of-band feature has to do with device management, which basically allows you to do remote power control. That is, you can turn on and off the device remotely. It also allows you to do BIOS firmware updates and upgrades. It can also help you in terms of monitoring the device health status and get alerts if something catastrophic happens to the device. And it will also secure your devices as well.
Okay, so talking, for example, about health data, there I see temperature of the CPU, the loading, everything what I need to know as an administrator to know about the device, right?
Yes, and you not only get this data, but you can also put some alerts on them as well. So for example, if the temperature goes to a certain threshold, you get a warning message. And in case if it goes to above a catastrophic value, then you don't need to manually turn the device on. You can put a rule so that the device turns off itself, and then later on you can reboot it remotely.
I assume DeviceOn also needs to run on some kind of server. Here in our demo, we have the Air150 device. So could you give us some insight how this is working?
Yes, so in our demo, Air150 is actually working as an on-premise DeviceOn server. The advantage of hosting the DeviceOn server on-premise is that you have faster response time, you have better security, and you have more control over your data. It basically allows you to then onboard your edge devices to the Air150 server and remotely manage them, control them, and if, for example, the devices have HBMC capability, you can also do a remote turn on and also BIOS firmware updates on them as well.
I assume you could also use cloud services as a server. Which ones are you supporting, and what would be the difference to an on-premise server?
Yes, so device on server can be hosted on premise or on a cloud. This can be private cloud or public cloud. We support device on server to be hosted on Microsoft Azure, AWS. So you have flexibility there. But again, the benefit of hosting it on premises that you have more control over your data, and it provides you more security and privacy and faster response time as well.
So in summary, how do device on, Air 150 and AFE E350 play together?
So Air 150 acts as a device on server, which is the central management platform. AFE E350 acts as industrial edge device, which is onboarded with device on with HBMC capabilities. And then this HBMC feature allows you to troubleshoot BIOS, and also if the operating system crashes, you can remotely turn on the device. In summary, it provides you flexibility as an IT administrator to remotely monitor, troubleshoot, and maintain health of your device.
Okay, great. Thank you for that summary and giving us the insight in the Advantech remote management solution. I think this is really a good concept for all industrial and edge computing solutions. I hope we see that solution coming to reality in the field very soon. Thank you, Uma.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So the whole idea from Advantech is to provide you easy, seamless, and intelligent